Hello, this is Karthik Nani, year 14 CH236. So today I'm going to demonstrate my experiment number 4 of compiler design lab, that is microprocessor. So the aim of the experiment is to stimulate a particular microprocessor for a particular given input. So the function of microprocessor, it scans as a lexical analyzer and gives me the input of a particular keyword. So this is my program which I have made in Java. So in this, initially in the main function, I've made a scanner object S and 3 arrays with capacity 50, 10 and 10. Then I'm taking the size of the snippet. So for example, I'm entering hash include or int main hash include 3. So these are the 3 snippets, int main hash include and 3 other 3 snippets. So I have to enter the particular size of this the snippet, which is stored in n using the scanner object function next int. Now I have to enter the code snippet. So I've taken this value as the number of the for loop. So I will run the for loop from I0 to n to get the perfect input, and I will take the index in each and every index, a index, that is a array which is of string array which is of capacity 10. I will store the particular input, the value. Now I've set the flag 0 initially. Now I'm checking if my first input is hash defined or not. So from 0 to n, that is from 0 to the n, that is the length of my code snippet, I will run a for loop, and in the first index I will check if the particular value defines is equal to hash defined or not. If it is equal, then in the another variable I will store another array. I will store the particular value that is hash defined, and in the next array I will store the next index value in my next array and set flag +3 and then continue. If the starting index is not equal to, if the starting index is not equal to defined but it is equal to hash include, then I will print print a blank space, and I will print that this is the output. Then while flag is not equal to n+1, that is, I will run a while loop until and unless I have not reached the last part of my index. I will check if the flag is equal to c of j, that is 0. Until and unless the flag does not become 0, I will run the for loop to the dimension of my code snippet and print the particular value stored in the array at j element, and then printed entered by a space. So this was my particular program made in Java. I have given the input for hash define, hash include, and any particular value or any particular int main or function. For that particular input, the program is made. So as you can see the output of the program. In this, enter the size of the code snippet. So I've given 4. So it's like int, then another index I'm storing main, in another index I'm storing hash include. So from I to 4, then I'm storing the value 30. So even if it is hash defined, which sets the constant value of a particular variable, it will show the same output as shown for hash include. So for this, then the hash include is storing the value 30. So this will give me the output as these tokens are recognized, int main, include and 30. So this was the lexical analysis done through the microprocessor, and this was my complete program in Java. So thank you for watching.